Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Jah carry me, yeah. Me look pan valley low and wide, no fear inside. Every step me take Jah show, oh fi grow, yeah. Me start me journey rough and raw, but me keep Jah law. Storm come down, rain beat hard, still me guard. Me hold me feet tight like stone, never alone. Mountain of strength me trod, guided by God. Yeah, them mock me but them laugh me way, still me pray. Each fall teach me rise, Jah make me wise. Yeah, can't shake me will, me climb still. Every scar tell me name, fire flame, yeah. Mountain of strength me stand tall, Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength I me climb, through space and time, yeah. Me look below, river flow. Me give thanks for the fight me face, grace in place, yeah. No easy road for righteous man, still me plan. Me rise from struggle deep, no sleep, yeah. Them who doubt me no can see, just set me free. Me shout me praise in a breeze, me find me peace, yeah. No pride, no boast me show, me let Jah glow. Mountain strong beneath me feet, victory sweet, yeah. When me weak, Jah lift me soul, make me whole. Me find power in the climb, sacred time, yeah. Mountain spirit call me home, me never roam, yeah. Mountain of strength me stand tall, Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength I am real, me heal, yeah. Me see, me remember me destiny. Mountain of strength remain, forever reign, yeah.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Me hear the wind sing clear, freedom near. Drum beat echo through town, chains fall down. Me lift me voice for the cause, no pause. Song of freedom loud and high, reach the sky.
Ay, 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 ay.
Me born fi chant truth loud, no bout to cry. crowd. Me voice me only weapon strong. Me chant long, me call out Babylon lie till it die. Freedom song me melody, set we free. Them try silence me sound, still rebound. Me spirit like fire blaze through the haze. No fear, me carry no shame. John name, me chant down wicked pride. Side by side, song of freedom, play again, heal the pain. Song of freedom, pure and high, never die. Me hear the people start to sing, voices ring, unity spread through the street, heartbeat. Song of freedom touch the soul, make we all. Me feel the energy grow, overflow. Me see the youth lift them hand, take a stand. Me see the elder wipe him eye, no more cry. Freedom rhythm no stop, top to top. Jah tune the key of peace, sweet release. Me no sing for fame or gold, but story told. Me sing for justice rise, open eyes. Song of freedom loud and near, me persevere. Song of freedom, play again, heal the pain. Song of freedom, pure and high, never die. Song of freedom, carry on till night gone. Song of freedom, strong and true, bless me and you. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. So when the silence strike control, sing from soul, freedom tune forever play till judgment day. Jah love, me no need no temple tall. Jah in all, every breath me take me find peace of mind. Jah light within me shine divine. Me used to search far and wide, no need hide. Me learn Jah dwell inside me heart, sacred art. No pastor, no preacher man, only Jah plan. Me look inside and see eternity. Me walk through shadow long, but me stay strong. Jah whisper through me doubt, truth come out, me see the darkness fade. Hope made, Jah light glow pure and still. By will, Jah light within guide me there, show me where. Jah light within never dim, forever him. Me teach the youth to see Jah energy, no diamond, no gold compare. Jah care, me tell the queen she shine, truly divine. Light no come from skin, but deep within. Me hear the city nice, fade slow, stillness grow. Me find peace pan humble floor, want no more. Jah light reflecting I, never die. Me live me truth, me chant, elegant. Even in a star me glow, light still show. Darkness can defeat the flame. In Jah name, me carry peace through pain. Again, Jah light within guide me there, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever him. Jah light within pure and bright, endless night. Jah light within bless me soul, make me whole. So when the world seem cold and blind, look inside, Jah light within still burn every turn. No, no, no. Zion Raga. Me rise from the hill and greet the sun. Another day of work begun. Me feel the rhythm in the breeze. Jah whisper through the trees. From the dust to the dawn, me trod again. With heart so pure and mind so plain. Roots of tomorrow grow from today. Righteousness lead the way. My father tell me long ago, plant love wherever you go. So me dig the earth, me plant the seed of unity, not of greed. Them try confuse we with vanity, but truth still set we free. Me chant a psalm for the weary soul. Jah light make we whole. The youth them need a voice of God. No Babylon like can divide. Me tell them hold on, keep the faith. Better they come, no too late. Me see them fighting for them bread. Me see the hunger still spread. But me also see them hearts so brave. Jah children rise from grave. Roots of tomorrow grow today.
Jah lead we on the way.
No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Roots of tomorrow stand up strong.
We sing redemption song.
Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Yeah. Me see the Babylon lights flash bright, but them can't hide the night. Me know the mission, me know the code. Rasta trod pan Zion road. Me carry wisdom of me king. Strength come from deep within. Me hold the fire in my chest. Jah give me rest. Elders beat the Naya bingy drum. Chant till the kingdom come. Children dance, women sing. Joy like the bird pan wing. Me see the roots spread far and wide. Love are the only guide. No man higher than Jah plan. We all one under sun. Me no worry, me no fear. Jah presence always near. The style me till the song me sing. Freedom in everything. No more hate, no more lie. Rasta spirit never die. Me plant the peace and water grace. Hope bloom in every place. Roots of tomorrow grow today.
Jah lead we on the way.
No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Roots of tomorrow stand up strong.
We sing redemption song.
Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Yeah. Roots of tomorrow, hear me say. Rise like the morning ray. No shadow can block the shine. Jah timing always divine. All the faith my people true. Light out the path for me and you. Me lay me head on the ground. Hear the heartbeat sound. Roots of tomorrow start today. Rasta show the way. Aye, aye, aye. Roll a big spliff with sweat, come me lap your man. Yeah. Thunder roll, me still strong. Just spirit keep me moving on. Lightning flash, wind a roar. Still me stand pon Zion shore. Me heart no tremble, me no bow. Lion in the storm right now. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me rise again. No chain strong enough to bind. Truth living on me mind. Them speak loud, but just speak clear. Fear fear no evil, I am here. Me hold the torch through darkest night. Rasta keep the light. The struggle real, me know the test, but me bless among the rest. Every trial brings strength anew. Just show me what me must do. Them throw stone, me build bridge. Them black path, me climb ridge. Cause me no run, me no hide. Just soldier on the side. Lion in the storm, stand tall. Never let the wicked make you fall. Hold the line, chant the psalms. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength forevermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me way. Me brethren fall, but me lift him high. Tell him no worry, dry your eye. Me know Jah never forsake. He builds strength from every ache. Me see the rainbow cross the field. Rasta never yield. No weapon form shall prosper here. Me spirit clear. Inna the mountain, breeze me rest. Me heart beat in me chest. Me look up to the sky and pray. Jah bless me steps today. No matter the thunder, no matter the rain, me chant through the pain. Cause me know the lion live in me soul. Rasta make me whole. Every storm must end, every wound Jah mend. Me stand firm, me hold strong, me destiny long. Fire blaze, but me heart pure. Inna Jah love, me sure. Lion roar through the night, victory in sight. Lion in the storm, stand tall. Never let the wicked make you fall. Hold the line, chant the psalms. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength forevermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me way. Lion rise, break the chain. Turn the thunder into gain. From struggle come song, from trial come strong. Jah shield me life, me keep the flame. Forever call Jah name. When the storm cloud fade away, still the lion trot today. Strength and honor never gone. Me live fi carry on.
Rasta man and Zion, reggae ya man. Me open me eyes before the sun appear. Hear Jah whisper in me ear. Rise, O youth, no live in fear. Freedom draw near. Me see the dance spread across the sea. Spirit speak clear to me. Rise up the free, born again. No more chain, no more pain. Me see the soldier on the road. Me see the burden heavy load. But me heart full of courage still. Cause Jah have the will. Them try control me every thought, but truth can't be bought. Them try to silence Jah name, but me chant the flame. Me see the youth, them rise and shout. Babylon wall soon crumble out. No more division, one creation. One heart, one meditation. Me feel the drum beat on me chest. Call for the ones who never rest. Them fight for love, them fight for peace, till justice release. Rise up the free, your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provide the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite, spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit never defeat. Me mother cry but still she pray. Say Jah never stray. Through the struggle me learn the way. One day Babylon fade away. Me see the rainbow after rain. From every loss come gain. Me carry the message deep inside. Jah always guide. Me plant the seed and watch it grow. Me see the roots them start to show. Me brethren gather hand in hand. We build again this sacred land. No more hate, no envy there. Just righteousness in the air. Me walk with truth, me talk with grace. Jah glory in me face. No power of man can stop the time. No wall too tall for love to climb. Me feel the freedom in the breeze. Me soul at peace beneath the trees. Chant down the system, chant it low. Righteous river start to flow. Every tongue and every tribe join the universal vibe. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provides the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite, spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit never defeat. I and rise up the free, heart and flame. Call Jah Jah, holy name. One world, one destiny. Unity set we free. Rise up now, let Babylon fall. Hear the trumpet call. Love is the law, truth the key. Rise up the free. When the darkness try to stay, Jah light still guide the way. Me chant me song, me soul take flight. Me heart beat strong in the night. Rise, oh people, rise and see the dawn of the free. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Me stand pancana, drums them play, roots display. Me see the red, gold, green wave high, spirit fly. Rasta Nation chant for change, no strange. We rise in Jah order true, me and you. From Kingston straight to Accra town, we hold it down. From hills of Ethiopia high, bless Jah sky. Rasta people one vibration, true nation. No border divide with soul, one goal. Me see the system crumble slow, them can't grow. We plant the seed of unity in the city. No politician can lead, only good deed. Rasta Nation rise, open eyes. Hey, Rasta Nation strong and free. Jah family. Rasta Nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Me hear the drummers beating street, heartbeat. Every tone a revolution sound. Turn around, the youth them carry touch. A fire never tire, Rasta Nation build again. From pain, me see the queen wrap her crown. No back down, king and empress hand in hand. Across the land, we chant for justice true. For me and you, Rasta Nation lead the way. New day, no division, no hate. Rasta create, from Africa to world. Flag unfurled, Rasta roots eternal flame. Praise Jah name, praise Jah name. Yeah, yeah, Rasta Nation. Nation. One love foundation firm. Jah confirm. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, 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 done by the riverside, yeah, man. Me trod so long through rain and sun. Each step a battle, each fight hard won. Through valley deep and mountain high. Jahanda guide me spirit fly. Me cross the river, me face the storm. But love keep me heart warm. Now me see the golden light. Zion gates just come inside. Open the gates of Zion wide. Let the righteous step inside. Sing this song for all mankind. Leave the hate and fear behind.
Be in the gates of Zion wide.
Na na na.
Let the righteous step inside.
Na na na.
Sing this song for all mankind.
Na na na.
Leave the hate and fear behind.
Me hear the trumpet start to play. Announce the dawn of brighter day. The people gather young and old. Every story now retold. We lay we burdens at the door. Pick up joy forevermore. Zion call like mother's song, calling we where we belong. Me see the garden lush and green, peaceful as me ever seen. River run with healing flow. Tree of life in center grow. Every fruit a taste of grace. Every soul in perfect place. No chain, no prison, no divide. Only truth and love abide. Me meet the elders pon the hill. Them tell me, child, keep treading still. The journey long but worth the pain. For every seed bring righteous gain. We sit and reason through the night. Under moon and holy light. Them say Zion gates never close. For heart that pure and spirit knows.
Step inside, children, step inside. No more run, no more hide. Leave Babylon dust and road. Come trudge a righteous road. Lift your voice and lift your hand. Give thanks for the promised land. Every beat of the drum declare Zion love for all who care.
Call the name, shout it loud. Zion stand above the cloud. The choir rise, the voices blend. Song of life that never end. Each note a blessing, pure and strong. Every soul sing along. Me feel me tears, but them sweet. Like water at Jah feet. Zion gates swing open wide. Jah light pour like morning tide. Me see the children run and play. Bright like sunrise every day. No hunger here, no war, no cry. Just promise fill the sky. We share the bread, we share the wine. We walk the path so divine. Drums still beat, heart still warm. Zion peace, the perfect form. When nightfall come, no darkness near. For Jah light shine crystal clear. We rest beneath the holy tree. Tell Jah thanks fi set we free. Me close me eyes and hear the sound of love and joy all around. And when me wake, me still inside. Zion gates forever wide. Open the gates of Zion wide.
We step
the hills, me build me hut. Smoke rise slow, peaceful up me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow. Cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds are sing rhythm pon the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in me soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I way life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in a morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill, drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation. Blaze one feature in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Me see too much man, chase shadow and dream. Blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath. Away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass. Teach I listen, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in a day yard. Life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars, sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in a hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me temp me natural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation, with ital stew and deep meditation. Come fi visit but leave your worry. Me teach you how fi slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rasta man reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja, drum and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring this sound from hillside art to world around. Zion reggae, yeah man. Deep where sea and lightning meet, ocean fire beneath your feet. Every wave a spark of flame, every drop a sacred name. Fish a see the glow below, ocean whisper, tides them flow. From the depths come voice so clear, truth of Jah draw ever near. Elders stand up on the sand, ocean fire bless the land. Every breeze a hymn so sweet, heat and water now compete. No illusion, no more chain. Ocean fire cleanse the pain. Every tide a holy psalm. Ocean bring eternal calm. Sailor gaze into the blue. See the fire burning true. Every spark a sign of grace. Ocean hold the sacred place. Babylon ship may rust away. Ocean fire forever stay. Every storm become a prayer. Ocean flame still burning there. Poet write by lantern light. Ocean fire ignite the night. Every verse a shining wave. Every thought a soul to save. Even darkness find its glow. Ocean fire still below. Ever bright, forever free. Burning deep beneath the sea. Shall them laugh upon the shore. Ocean fire bless them more. Every heart ignites with love. Like the stars in sky above. From creation till the end. Ocean fire our faithful friend. Everlasting, pure and grand. Ocean blaze across the sand. Burn, burn through the sea. Light of hope and unity. Rise, rise, golden high. Ocean flame will never die. Ocean fire bright and pure. Cleanse the world and make it sure. Never fading, never gone. Light of Zion carry on. Ever shining, fierce and free. Ocean flame eternity. Water, fire, heart and sky. Jah creation sanctified.
Song of Zion heard, not in treat the people well. No corruption, no despair. God and show Jah everywhere. Everlasting, pure and strong. God and chant Jah holy song. Morning sun and evening star. God and eternal, near and far. From the root to canopy. God and shine eternally. Generations yet unborn. Garden blooming early morn. Eternal dwelling strong and free. Garden guide humanity. Grow, grow, holy seed. Garden give there its need. Rise, rise, flower bright. Garden shine in Jah Light. Garden eternal, pure and true. Bloom forever for me and you. Every season strong and free. Garden of Zion, unity. Forever blooming, never gone. Garden sing Jah holy song.
See la my rastas, me stone and sweat come on beside ya man. You see I walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun but she not no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal on foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. We step to her, heart a beat. They say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling. Me look fi king, who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon. Still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm. Holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. Talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. We show her how to chant and wait. We not rush, no need no ring. Just truth and rhythm, everything. When the system try, split the vibe. We meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep. About river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In her soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She said, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon. Still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm. Holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them I watch and wonder how. Two Rasta still hold vow. Why world a crumble round the way. We hold hands and start to pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The word heart still cold, still root. Nah, nah, nah. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Ah, nah, 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 Zion reggae, yeah, man. Keep a walking, shadows glow. Guard the flame we seldom know. Every night he light the way, so the lost can find the day. No applause, no fame, no crown. Keep a never turn around. Every step a quiet vow. To hold the truth we need somehow. Elder tell of keeper's path. Born of mercy, free from wrath. Every candle small yet bright. Keep a guide through endless night. No man see the work he do, but Jah reward him pure and true. Every whisper calm and kind. Keep a heal the troubled mind. Child them ask who light the star. Keep a smile from near not far. Every flame a story told. Keeper's hand so strong, so bold. Babylon fade, but still he stay. Keep a guard the righteous way. No corruption, no deceit. Keep a heart forever be. Na 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 na, Zion reggae, man. Poet dream and vision clear. Keep a song he start to hear. Every note a glowing prayer. Keep a spirit everywhere. When the night seem endless long, keep a hum the ancient song. From creation calm and wise. Keep a shine where darkness lies. Morning come and light reveal. Keepers work beneath this steel. Every shadow fade away. Keep a bring the golden day. Everlasting, true and free. Keep a guard eternity. Every soul he helped to rise. Keep a song still fill the skies. Shine, shine, sacred flame. Keep a call the holy name. Guide, guide everyone till the work of love is done. Keep her song strong and pure. Carry faith that will endure. Never fading, never gone. Keep us light forever strong. Ever shining, calm and wide. Keep her walk by your side. From the dawn to setting sun. Keep us work is never done. Na na na, Zion reggae, man.
Na na na, Zion ganja, yeah, man. In a silence of the field, wings of the ground reveal the shield. Every feather born of clay, lift the soul and clear the way. No machine, no man-made plan can stop the flight of earth to man. Root and air, them intertwine. Wings of soil, divine design. Held a kneel and touch the dust. Wings of ground, he hold in trust. Every seed, a dream reborn. Fly from dust to sacred morn. No corruption reach so low. Wings of ground in secret grow. From the dirt to endless sky. Spirit rise, them never die. Poet write in gentle tone. Wings of ground make word is home. Every phrase a flutter bright, lifting truth from dark to light. Babylon sink in greed and fear, but wings of ground still reappear. Every motion soft yet grand, carry peace across the land. Farmer soul is faith so strong, wings of ground still sing the song. Every harvest bring reward, blessed by Jah, eternal Lord. Even storm can't hold them down, wings of ground where nature's crown. Every root and every leaf carry message of belief. Child them dance upon the plain, wings of ground release the chain. Every laughter shake the tree, spirit whispers silently. No despair, no fear remain, wings of ground erase the pain. Every breath a holy vow, earth itself is flying now. Fly, fly deep and low, wings of ground make spirit grow. Rise, rise, pure and free, carry truth and harmony. Wings of the ground, bold and wide, lift the heart from deep inside. Never fading, never still, wings of Jah, obey His will. Everlasting, firm and true, wings of love for me and you. From this isle to endless sky, wings of ground will never die.
No, 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 ganja is the life, you man. Carver sit by morning flame, chisel sing Jah holy name. Every stroke a prayer in wood, shaping peace where once war stood. No machine can match the grace, light reflect upon His face. Every carving smooth and deep, spirit watch while angels keep. Through the grain these stories run, Carver carved the moon and sun. Every mark a hidden code, path of wisdom gently showed. Babylon craft with greed and haste, Carver build with love and taste. From the timber truth is born, light of mercy crowned the morn. He carved the lion strong and wise, He carved the bird that never dies. Every curve a memory, every shape a melody. Child them gather, eyes them gleam, Carver build them Jaja dream. No illusion, no deceit, light of work makes soul complete. When the sunset paint the hill, Carver carve with patient will. Every piece a world reborn, from the night to shining morn. His hands are rough, His heart is kind, light of peace dwell in His mind. Every mark a holy vow, carve a living spirit now. Elder come and bless the tree, carve a bow respectfully. Every branch a legacy of creation's melody. From the wood, the fire, the sound, Carver keep the people strong. Every statue, every line, echo Jah design divine. Carve, carve, bright and clear, shape of the truth we all hold dear. Shine, shine, hand of flame, write Jah glory, praise His name. Light, Carver, child of peace, build a world where hate shall cease. Never breaking, never ever shining, pure and grand, craft of love from Jah. Every shape, both rough and fine, light Carver, soul divine. Aye, aye, aye. Smoker. Split with Zion, Ragaya man. On the Irie highway, we cruising slow. Smoke from the chalice start to flow. Sky wide open, no cloud in our sight. Rasta heartbeat steady through the night. We no follow, no system clock. We move with the sun, step with the rock. Herbs in our hand, wisdom in our head. Jah guide with steps where angels tread. Irie highway, carry me home. Far from concrete and Babylon dome. Blaze up the fire, chant to the sky. Lift up the spirit and let it fly. One love vibration, no complication. Just herbs and meditation. I remember days under city light. Soul in a cage, heart lose fight. But Jah call me through the smoke and breeze, whispering softly through sacred trees. Now me barefoot on sacred land, drumming truth with the healing and no fear. In a this sacred path, just love and the ancient craft. Irie highway, take I far, past illusion, past war. Rasta wheel turn in Jah direction. Roots man soul in resurrection. We no chase money, we no chase fame. Just the Irie fire and Jah name. They don't teach this in a no school. How fi live humble, how fi stay cool. Herb in a pipe, knowledge in a heart. That's where the higher living start. So when you're lost in a world of fear, step on the highway, Jah draw near. I see the stars winking at the sky, like them know how the truth lie. We sip tea from the roots and leaves, balance the body, calm the breeze. No need for stress, no need for rest. Jah timing always in place. Rasta no rush, Rasta no run. We move with the moon and praise the sun. Irie highway, freedom call. No wall to hide, no Babylon tall. Smoke up, rise up, chant and pray. We dip on the Irie highway. So if you feel down, feel out of breath, come find life beyond the death, beyond the system, beyond the screen. There's a place where the soul stay clean. This is reggae, for the meditation. Words of fire, soul salvation. Zion echoes, call your name. Irie highway, feel no shame. And meditate your man. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Me hear the river call me name. Flow of love, eternal flame. From mountain peak to valley low, Jah blessings overflow.
Every stream a voice of peace, where hate and war must cease. Me walk beside the water clear, feel your presence near. Every drop a story told, of truth them can't control. The rhythm of the river beat, guide me step, guide me feet. In harmony me find me place, reflections of Jah grace. Me see me people gather round, sweet na ya bingy sound. Hands join tight in one accord, me give thanks to the Lord. No border, color, creed divide, we flow side by side. Every nation, every kind, one destiny, one mind. Oh, yeah. River of unity, flow on strong, wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land, join together hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright, shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in Jah stream. Oh, me see the youth them learn for care, me see the elders share. No vanity, no pride remain, just peace again. From the river me draw strength, wisdom come at length. It teach me patience, teach me calm. Jah on me palm, even when the tide get rough. Love alone enough, me trust the current fi carry me to Jah eternity. Me see reflection of me face, me see the human race, all connected, one family tree, river of unity. Oh, flow, river flow, let Jah love overflow. From Kingston town to Addis land, one creation, hand in hand. No man greater, no man small, one Jah rule them all. Me chant this song for harmony, Jah love set we free. River of unity, flow on strong, wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land, join together hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright, shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in Jah stream. River flow, don't ever end. Heal the heart, uplift the friend. Through the struggle, me still see Jah water cleanse me. Me sit beside the bank and pray, give thanks for another day. River of unity, flow forevermore, till peace reach every shore.
Nana, ganja everywhere, yeah man. Me day up on the earth with no cheering from me mind. Me spirit like a lion, ancient and divine. No gold watch, no office life, just the sun, me herbs and natural life. Me walk barefoot pan jalan, feel the heartbeat in a me hand. Mountains whisper secrets deep, and me hold them sacred in a sleep. Firelight and freedom, that me need. Herby naturalist, pure soul me feed. From Kingston to Addis, me heart a drum. Rasta nah run, we just chant and come. Firelight and freedom, no stress me keep. Just chant a psalm when the night get deep.
Give thanks for the moon and stars above. Every draw me take is a prayer of love. Me no need mansion or diamond ring. The highest treasure is the song me sing. Me life no complicated, me keep it real. I tell stew cook while me spin the wheel. No TV brainwash, no fake illusion. Me sip me roots tonic fi clear confusion. Rasta teach patience, Rasta teach grace. Me move with balance in a Jah place. Me see people chase things them can't even hold. Me prefer a hammock and sunshine gold. Rasta no bow to vanity dream. Me tread light through every stream. Me light one candle, burn one leaf. Me chant out pain, me chant out grief. Jah guide me steps through thunder and storm. Me spirit stay cool, me heart stay warm. Firelight and freedom, me inner guide. No system can drown this holy tide. Me blaze one eye, give thanks in song. Rasta not stray, me roots too strong. No preacher, no ruler control me fate. Me soul walk free through Zion gate. Each morning me rise with the birds. Me write me joy in musical words. Me plant me seeds with love and care. And me meditate till me mind feel clear. Herb is me healing, not me escape. Me no run from truth, me shape me fate. Every draw a sacred right. Open me mind to inner sight. Rasta life no easy, but it's full. Full of vibes and spiritual pull. When me drum, me talk to stars. Me soul connect with ancestors afar. So me sing with no fear. Me chant till Babylon disappear. Firelight and freedom, soul liberation. Ganja burn down, mental separation. From hillside jump to concrete lane. Rasta vibration will still remain. Firelight and freedom, sweet release. Me live for love, me live for peace. So come here now and rest your mind. Leave your phone, your clock behind. Under stars with my abingy flame. Me call your name and feel no shame. In this life of freedom and reason, me hold tight to firelight and free.